Most probably you are watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here as you try to open a program you recently installed. This error alive. The error is called localization-l1-2-0.dll missing error. It's a very common error and all you need to do is watch this video patiently and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. This very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So start your countdown. And the first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the entire file name .dll. You can choose any results you want. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. You can see a few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, you need to click on the Windows button and search for system information. And you can see mine is a 64-bit machine and updated to the recent on the subject, so I'll be downloading from the top. I strongly recommend you to read this page, and I'm covering both 32-bit and 64-bit process. As the download complete, hit open. The downloaded file has two files. One is the DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, open this PC, then local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLLs. Then click on the zip file, drag the DLL and drop. I have already done this, so there's me to replace. And click on continue to give administration access. Before we proceed, let's check. By typing the file name, we can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. So job done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. Only if you are a 64-bit user, so open this PC one more time, then local disk C, Windows, and this time find a folder named syswow64. And similarly, drag and drop. Check this one more time. Yes, the file is properly placed in the 64-bit folders also. So job done. And finally, restart your computer. In extreme rare cases, if the error occurs, you need to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and install your program again, and that will surely fix it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.